Hello, everybody. Happy Sunday. Yeah. Zab. That special code I put in so that Zab never wins fries is working. Hey, Iowa. Welcome, everybody. Hey, Ark. How's it going? You ready for some more Super Mario Wonder? Hey, Merrick. Hey, Oceanic. Yeah, I'm ready. I can't believe the weekend went by so fast. That's what I'm worried about. Yeah, I wasn't feeling well this afternoon, and so I was. In fact, streaming was in question. So, but I decided to go ahead and do it. So I may not be as energetic as I always am. Like I'm ever very energetic anyway. Yeah, thanks, Oceanic. But I figured, you know, just kind of a chill stream playing some Super Mario Wonder can't be so bad. So, I'm up on the TV tonight. Yes. Well, I'm broadcasting in higher resolution, so hopefully it looks good on the TV now. Yeah, that's why I'm not feeling bad. Is it not feeling well? See, in high definition, you can see the individual arm hairs on Wolverine's arm.
I'm pretty sure you can see those in any resolution because they're so thick.
Well, it's how you're gonna, you know, how much of it you see. So, I'm feeling a little bit better. Yeah, I am a little bit worried because we are near the end of the game. So is it going to get harder? We'll see. Okay. We did that pull, turn, burn over here. Yeah, you did it in high def. You can see all the wrinkles. Is that what happens? I've been keeping a close eye on the magma around here, and I got bad news. It's been rising. Please take back the palace before things get much worse. Here, this Wonder Seed should help.
We entrust it to you.
Exactly. All right, do we have enough seeds yet? No, we need 2 more. Just like an extortion racket here. Oh, I can't possibly go any further. Okay. There's got to be ones that we missed. Ah, we didn't go this way. Oh, there's another path. That one. I need that. I guess we're doing this one. You exhaust me. All right, here comes the grappling vine badge.
Go for it. It's gonna be all right. You'll get it.
Will
Just
it?
keep trying.
Okay. I am. That was close.
Great! Great!
Shit. I don't think you die here, though. Yeah, see, this is one. So hold off on your deaths, Flaming Baguette. This is one of those where you don't die.
Great! Great!
Oh, that was close.
Yeah! Thank you.
All right, we have one more to go. Looks like you mastered that badge. Do you want me to wear it? No. I don't even know what we're wearing right now. Oh, yeah, that one. I don't want to do the search one. I guess we are. Mario could step on that flower. I know which one you're talking about. The talking flower.
Oh, hi!
Oh. So we're just gonna have to sit here and switch them all the time? Huh. I didn't mean that. I'm impatient.
I like how they're Howard Johnson's is trying to retro cool themselves.
Hojo is retro cool? Is that what you said?
That's what they're trying to do. They have, you know, like painted their rooms orange because, you know, that's a wild retro color, and gotten some accessories that look like they're from the 1960s. But they don't look anything like retro like one of their old rooms.
Oh, I wonder if I'm supposed to go now.
Honestly, I would just like it if I could have breakfast at Howard Johnson's restaurant again.
I wonder if I'm supposed to do this. Not that. freshman year dorm was Hojo colors. So much for that. I thought maybe it would break those.
I had an apartment that the building was built in the 1920s, and it had originally been, it was 7 floors, and it had originally been one wealthy family per floor, and they had broken it up into apartments. And the building was endemic with roaches. Like you could keep them at bay, but eventually they would come to you when someone moved out. And it had no air conditioning. So I loved that.
Yeah.
I did have a window unit, but it was like only 6,000 BTU, so it wasn't quite enough. And I had this crazy system of like a box fan in front of the air conditioner and some other fan in the doorway to get it into the bedroom. Oh, in the winter in this place, it was great because it had oil-fired radiators, and you could boil water on them. I mean, you had to open the windows. It was so hot. But the radiator and the hot water ran in the same boiler. So if they ran out of oil, and it was almost always on the weekend, and you'd have to wait until Monday before you had any hot water.
Alright, we gotta find one more.
I do in some ways miss that apartment, though. It was nice living on the 6th floor, at, a good view of town, and I don't miss the roaches.
Yeah, I would imagine not.
Well, it wasn't as bad there as like the other one I've talked about, where one crawled out of the outlet.
Yeah.
And one dropped out of the range hood into the food I was cooking. Well, I lived in this apartment, and it was like one of those ones where there's 2, and then there's 2 on top of that. And then like there's a breezeway, and then there's 2 across from like me, and then 2 on the upstairs and stairs in that breezeway. And the one that was directly behind me across the shared wall, I think there were like 10. I'm not sure. I was never quite sure if they were Mexican or Salvadorian. It was hard to tell. But there were like 10 people living in a 2-bedroom apartment.
Oh, wow.
And they took off, just sort of disappeared in the night
And
in
then
October.
all the roaches.
And then about 2 weeks later, all of their roaches became mine. And they came and treated, but it was just like, it was not fast enough. And I was just like, I went to them and I was like, you need to let me out of my lease because I cannot live like this. And they let me move to a different apartment. which was actually better. This kind of look like floppy disks. Or they're hammers. They're hammers. Or bones. Yeah. That was in my kitchen, and the kitchen wall was that shared wall between them. And it would have been, like, their kitchen would have been on that exact same place. So I'm sure that's where the roaches were.
Always carry some water with you. Oh no, not Goo Mario again.
That sounds worse than the roaches, actually. I mean, they were gross, but they didn't bite you.
What was it?
She's talking about she
Fleas?
got fleas from the lady
Oh my
upstairs. From some mangy cat upstairs. Honestly, the weirdest was the creepy couple next door that would always have insanely loud sex at the same time every Tuesday night.
Oh wow, you could set your watch to 'em?
Yeah. It was always like 2:14. And it would last for exactly 10 minutes. And I swear they must have had their bed against the same wall that mine was. But after they moved out, that apartment was open, so I went and looked, and that would have been like the living room, so I don't know.
Maybe they had a bed in the living room.
And they say romance is dead. Well, they were Asian. I'm not sure what they were. I only ever saw them like a couple times. It was that classic thing of living in an apartment building and not knowing anyone in it.
I'm tired of playing with you. Dad's Big Bad Wonder is gonna be way more fun than you've ever been. So I'm gonna let you get to him.
Oh, he can go up and down. Oh. That's horrifying.
There's multiple of him. Ah, I saw it coming too. Got him. I was like watching which one he was.
I just thought it was weird. Like, that it was always the same time and the same frequency for like a year.
And so Mario's party saved Deep Magma Bog.
Yeah.
Neil's couple next door kept having sex every day. With the last royal seed in hand, the final confrontation in their adventure draws close. Will they succeed in stopping Bowser's evil plans? Will Neil ever see that couple again?
Oh God, it's been like 30 years.
Will they save the Flower Kingdom? You know, love's not dead. 30 years, they can still be doing it. And the whole world.
This place is intense.
I think they were older than me, so.
Yeah.
Although, you know, Asians don't show age, so.
Oh, now I need 25. Well, it's time to head back to the Petal Island again. It's scorching hot here, so let's try not to get singed on our way out.
When we were
25th anniversary of Star Trek Day. It's the 59th anniversary of Star Trek Day. It's the well, the 9th. The 6th was the 59th anniversary of Star Trek. I don't know. Why wouldn't Star Trek Day be on the premiere? Anniversary of the original Star Trek. No, I thought Neil's looking it up. Is it the 8th or the 6th? Maybe the 8th. When did Star Trek premiere? We did it. We really did it. Now
September 8th, 1966.
Okay, so it was the 8th. I don't know what I saw on... I saw something that said the 6th the other day.
You read it wrong.
Yeah, probably. Now to face Bowser. What was that? Something's wrong. What's going on? Too late. I've already finished preparations for the huge, no, the amazing wonder. Curious what I've got planned next, aren't you? I'll give you a sneak preview. You're lucky I'm so generous. All you have to do is muster up the courage to make it to my castle. I wasn't expecting anything like that. I don't know how confident Bowser sounds, like it's way too late to stop him, but I bet we still have a chance. Let's head to the castle. I bet you we have a chance too.
Actually, everything about like that is not real.
What?
First Contact Day.
Oh, well, yeah, it's a fictitious day in the future. The Flower Castle. Bowser has twisted it into something even more monstrous than I thought. Oh, I love his hair. But look who it is. You must be really excited to see the amazing, no, the epic wonder I'm preparing. You'll have to wait a bit longer, though. Perfection takes time. How about you just enjoy the opening acts my army has already for you? That's your cue, Missile Megs. Get out there and show them how dangerous a show can be. I know, the ice cream hair. Oh, he's got little spotlights. This really is gonna get a lot more dangerous, isn't it? But we have no choice. We can do this. We can take on anything that Bowser throws at us. It's time to stop his rampage. Missile Meg Mayhem.
Oh, so close.
Yeah. All right, that was a death. Yeah. Whoops. Trying not to jump on him quite yet. There we go. I'm getting worried. Very colorful. There we go. That was exciting. I had a feeling that was coming. Wonderful. That was a fun level. Did you enjoy my army's hospitality? Well, that's just the beginning. This next performance is really amazing. You'll be shocked at how good it is. Enough preamble. Prepare yourself for a dazzling light show. It's time for the high voltage gauntlet. Like how he's introducing each level.
Here we go.
Ah, I should have seen that coming. Okay. All right. It is a shocking. Because I'm Shocky Mario now. Yeah, I guess he did look like Rubber Mario there, didn't he? Hey, Dark Passenger. Should have jumped on my bubble. That wasn't that bad. They said that was like a 4-star difficulty. It's going well. It's going well. Ready to take a break? Too bad I banned intermissions in my shows. And don't you dare try to sneak out. You won't want to miss this next performance. After all, these performers will be trying their hardest not to miss you. Hit it and them Seeker bullet bills. Evade the Seeker bullet bills. All right. Oh wow, they're fast. Ah! It's funny because they have like suction cups or something. Maybe there'd be something up there. Uh-oh, big one. Ah. Yeah, I had a feeling that was the way we were supposed to go. Oh my goodness. Oh. This is fun. Uh-oh. I don't know where I'm at. Oh no!
This gives me meaning to Red Rocket.
There we go.
Bye-bye.
Not gonna lie, I'm a little impressed you made it all the way here. Impressed and glad. It means I get to hit you with the greatest show of all time. I mean, that literally, I'm gonna hit you now. Get ready for the most amazing, groundbreaking show ever produced. It's time to get this Knuckle Fest started. Knuckle Fest, Bowser's Blazing Beats. Oh no. He's gonna lay down the beats. There we go. Oh, no. Ah, shit. Wow. That was wild. I just love the pose at the very beginning. I know. Well, you saw the badge saved me twice, right? Yeah. So the I hit the lava twice and jumped out of it. So having that badge, the badge that I did, this one, safety bounce, saved me. That's my favorite badge. Has been for a while. Oh, you made it through the Knuckle Fest. Impressive. Don't look so happy. That was just the opening act. The rockin' beat of the main event is going to echo across the world. No, throughout the universe. No one will be able to resist it. Heads will bob, feet will tap. They won't be able to stop. A truly captive audience. And now it's time for the epic, yes, the epic wonder you've been preparing. Feast your eyes on Bowser's Rage Stage. All audience members, please make your way to the main stage. What is he, the Wizard of Oz? Uh-oh, Koopa. It's Luigi. No, wait. It's Bowser Jr. You made it here, huh? Not that it matters. I'm done playing with you. I've got a front row ticket to Dad's big show. And you're not gonna ruin it for me. You ruined that for me. Now you get to see how big and bad I really am. Time for my super duper extra cool wonder. Uh-oh. Oh. Whoops. see a giant spike ball. Ah. Oh, it crushed me. Oh, I didn't expect that. Oh, he's real. I guess I was supposed to get on top of him. Falcor. I guess he did look a little bit like Falcor. Oh, shit.
No.
I know it can't save me all the time.
Oh no.
I'm just trying not to rush out too fast and get hit right here at the beginning. See, I don't know what to do right here. Cause he doesn't activate until I touch his belly, and then he crushes me. I guess I got to get out fast. I don't know. On the outside of him? Yeah, that's what I figured. I guess that's fine. Can I just stay on the outside of them? Yeah, I can stay on the outside of them. Yeah, so I don't have to go on the inside of them, which is what I thought I had to do. Oh, it's a King Boo. Hopefully I don't have to go through that door. Oh. Oh no, they're getting all itchy. I'm just gonna stay right here. Oh no. Hey, Dimok. Wahahaha. Thank you all for coming. Sorry for the wait. Are you ready to lose yourself in the sweet beat? This finale will make the entire universe my captive audience. Bowser's Rage Stage. Hit it. Oh, he didn't like that. Oh, he got me.
So I just looked at a TikTok and it's the guy who watches the videotape. Oh.
He's got his hand over his button. Ah, crap. Ah, too early. This is the first Bowser rhythm game we had to do. Oh, okay. This is just a void. Yes. Oh, he's divided it up even more. This is a long battle. That's good. Got him. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh! Ah! Oh my goodness. How many times did I have to do that? That was close. Oh, poor Bowser. Uh-oh. I don't think he's dead. Wait, Yeah, exactly. Way to lose your head. I was gonna say, they could have done better than an idle animation right there. No sympathies for Bowser.
So I was watching a TikTok in the other room for a minute,
Yeah,
and it was the guy who watches the videotapes,
yeah.
and it was a tape from 1991, which was the 25th anniversary of Star Trek.
Oh, cool.
It was being hosted by Leonard Nimoy. They had an ad for cards for Star Trek The Final Frontier. But it was the top 10 of Star Trek, the original series of Star Trek. Oddly, number 2 was City on the Edge of Forever. And number 1 was The Trouble with Tribbles.
Hmm.
And who would ever think that that would be the best episode of Star Trek?
Yeah, exactly. I guess that's good. Their heads exploded into flowers. It's like the end of an 80s TV show. They all froze. Yay! Well, I enjoyed it. They did a good job. Just the music elements alone made it really interesting. Yeah. I like how when you touch the people's names. God. Am I supposed to be getting a score? Oh.
Oh, hi there. Ever wonder where snow comes from?
Oh, I see. When I touch their names, I'm getting a score. I did have fun. I enjoyed it. All the different, yeah, this top down, whenever it would do that, it was unique. I was surprised. I'm always surprised that they can come up with new mechanics for Mario games, because I mean, the mechanics have been the same for so long. Good job. I keep getting hit by lightning.
1, 2, 3, jump! 1, 2, 3, jump!
Oh, look.
1, 2, 3, jump! 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 1, 2, 3, jump!
Oh, I see. I'm losing score when I get hit. It's funny, someone had to program all this just for the credits. And I can tell you that usually no time is given to the credits. Usually.
That's because they want you to look at the names and not be ignoring them by playing around.
Yeah. But yeah, it's been yeah, I've enjoyed this. I enjoyed it much more than I thought I would. Especially after playing Odyssey, which is such a great game. Oh, I'm Rubber Mario, I guess.
Hells, you're standing on end.
It's funny they added a lot of new mechanics just in Bowser's level too. Yeah, 67 deaths too. Uh-oh. Oh, poor Bowser. He'll be ready for the next game. That smoke, like your symbol.
Ever after. Come back again sometime, yeah?
Congrats on beating the game. You've earned a medal. That makes 1. The courses you haven't found yet are now displayed as question marks on the courses screen. The Poplin shop has new badges for sale. Oh, being here with you reminds me of when we set off on our journey. We traveled to so many places and collected a lot of wonder seeds. But if you think there are more wonder seeds or 10 flower coins that you haven't found yet, I'd be delighted to keep collecting them with you. Bowser deserved his comeuppance. All right, well let's save. And then I don't know. It's too early to call it quits. But maybe, I don't know. I guess what we'll do is let's play some Fries Quest and we'll come back with DuckTales, the gold, whatever it is called. And we'll try it out and you'll see how terrible the game is. And then we'll figure out what to do from there. I'll be right back. Wait, hold on. Let's try that first. Doctor
My prices aren't rigged. Who started that rumor?
Ready for battle.
True. Arcade Bear.
I'm ready. Let's go. This store reeks of
Ready
cannibalism.
for action. Ready for battle.
All right, if you played last game, you can now join.
Ready for battle. Ready for battle.
luck. You'll certainly need it.
All right. Right back. Don't go anywhere. New game. Right after this.